In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up gigabytes of disk space on Windows 10 or 11. We'll walk through trusted, built-in tools that can safely reclaim a surprising amount of storage. No third-party apps. Just Windows features you already have. For best results, close any open apps before you begin so more temporary files can be removed. Start with disk cleanup for system files. This is the most effective way to remove leftover Windows Update files and system logs. Open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. When it opens, choose your C drive and click OK. Next, click Clean up System Files. You may be asked for administrator permission. Allow it. Then choose C again and click OK. After Windows scans, you'll see a list of items. Check Windows Update Cleanup, previous Windows installations if it appears, temporary files, and recycle bin. Keep in mind, this will empty your recycle bin, and if selected, remove an older Windows version you no longer need. When you are ready, click OK to proceed. The cleanup can take several minutes depending on the size of those files, so let it run and avoid interrupting it. On Windows 11, you can also review large or unused items with cleanup recommendations. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage, and open Cleanup Recommendations. You'll see a curated list of files and categories that Windows suggests you remove. Review the suggestions, select what you don't need, and click Clean Up. This helps you make targeted choices without hunting through folders. Next, clear your user temp folder. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run box. Type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your personal temporary files folder. Press Ctrl-A to select everything. Then hold Shift and press Delete to permanently remove the files. If Windows reports that some files are in use, choose Skip. Those active files will be left alone. Then clear the additional System Temp folder. Press Windows key +R again. Type temp, and press Enter. If you are prompted for permission, click Continue. Press Ctrl-A to select all files, then Shift-F Delete to permanently remove them. These are safe to delete and often contain leftover installer or app junk. Finally, clear the prefetch cache. Open the Run dialog once more with Windows key +R. Type prefetch and press Enter. Grant permission if asked. Press Ctrl-A to select everything. Then Shift-F Delete. Confirm if prompted. Windows will recreate any necessary entries over time, and removing the old ones can free additional space. That's it. Thanks for watching.